Locations don't get much better than this. Walking distance to King's Christian College, the local dog park, soccer clubs, train station and shopping. So much to see, and inside, an even better house. Come have a look.
Stylish, spacious and completely move-in ready, this stunning Plantation home offers 4 generous-sized bedrooms, multiple living spaces and quality finishes throughout.
The outdoors really ties this whole thing together. Low maintenance, a gorgeous deck with outdoor blinds and so much more on offer. You really got to come check this one out. We'll see you then.